Chinese lettuce and lo mein, quick and delicious. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarish. We normally use lettuce raw in the salad, but in China, cooked lettuce is more common, like Chinese lettuce with oyster garlic sauce. For the garlic lettuce we need a head of romaine lettuce, 4 cloves of garlic, rice wine vinegar, light soy sauce and oyster sauce. That's it. For the lo mein I use Chinese egg needles. Whatever vegetables you have in fridge will do. I had carrots, a handful of mushrooms, sweet and hot pepper and spring onion, light and dark soy sauce and sesame oil. Right off the bat we bring a good amount of water to the boil in 2 different pots for cooking the noodles and lettuce. I add a handful of salt in the pot for cooking the noodle. I start with the garlic lettuce. Chop the garlic finely. Remove the root end to separate the leaves. Give the leaves a rinse. To make the oyster sauce, add 3 spoons frying oil in a saucer on medium heat and stir fry the garlic. After 2 minutes, add 2 tablespoons light soy sauce and 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Then I get about 2 tablespoons wine vinegar in and let the sauce reduce. To blancher the lettuce, put them in boiling water for 20 seconds. You even don't need to drain or rinse them. Simply take them out of the water and let them drip and place them in your serving plate. Pour the oyster sauce on the cooked lettuce and we are finished with the super easy Chinese lettuce. Let's get started with the lo mein. Slice all vegetables. The beauty of an Asian stir fry is that you can personalize the ingredients to your liking, or even what you have already in your fridge. Even the old vegetables left in your fridge can make your dish rich in color and taste. I cook the noodles for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, I fry the vegetable in a wok with 2 tablespoons sesame oil. Give it a stir for 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce and 2 tablespoons light soy sauce and stir. The noodles should be ready by now. Drain them and rinse them with cold water to stop cooking. They tend to get too soft when they're overcooked. Then add them to the fried vegetables and toss them around in the wok until they're well mixed. I plate the noodles in the same dish, but you can use another plate or bowl. Garnish the dish with the green of the spring onions. And now it's time to taste it. As I expected, the stir-fry noodles are delicious, but I'm curious about the lettuce. The soy and the oyster sauce gives it saltiness, even if I didn't season it. It is a tasty and quick side dish perfect for summertime. If you liked the video, give me a thumb up and hit the subscribe button for more. Feel free to tell me your opinion about the dish in the comment section. Thanks for watching.